Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change location on Gumtree. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and sign into your Gumtree.com account. Once you're inside the main homepage for Gumtree, in order to change your location, go to the top right corner and simply enter a new location in the text box. You can also type in the name of the location or the postcode. Once you do that, you will be able to see the listings relevant to your current location. So that is how you should be able to change your location on Gumtree in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.